So basically by crossing boundaries against the will of the insiders and or contrary to the rules that legislate crossing. And the Oromo boundary has been violated right from the beginning of the creation of Ethiopia, because many people misunderstand Ethiopia because we look at the map of Ethiopia the way it is drawn for us. But if you look at the map of Ethiopia, honestly, it overlaps with Oromia. If you go to Tigray, you will never find 3-4 different shops running different music in different ethnic languages. It's just one ethnic language, one religion, and one culture that you would witness. If you go to Bahadar, almost every shop, you will never hear a Walaita song in the entire town, or you will never hear a Gurage song in any of the music shops or the bars or anywhere. It's all Amharic. It's only when you come to Oromia, go to even the smallest town in Oromia, as you move through the town, what you see is there is a Gurage song being played in one shop, the next shop is Walaita, the third shop is maybe Oromo, the fourth shop is Tigrinya, and the fifth shop is Adarinya, and this is modern Ethiopia. Modern Ethiopia is where different ethnic groups have come together and have created a country we call Ethiopia, and that Ethiopia is what overlaps with Oromia. So people rarely understand that Ethiopia doesn't really mean what it actually means when you look at the map, because a good part of the map that you see to the north is a completely different culture from Oromia. What I'm talking about is where different ethnic groups have come together, and this has to do with the creation of modern Ethiopia. And this modern Ethiopia is constituted or created by violating Oromo boundary. Whether it is in the religious sense, religious boundaries have been violated, economic boundaries have been violated, religious, social boundaries, physical boundaries have been violated. Oromos have never been considered human beings. Their boundaries can be violated at will. And that's really what is perpetuating the kind of difference and controversies in that part of the Horn of Africa. I don't want to go into the definitions. I just want to give you anecdotes. Like I want to give you an example of economic violence. And I'm going to give you an anecdote from Borana. In 1932, the daughter of a certain Abba Kamau actually went to draw water from the river, and she died. And nobody knew why she died. Maybe it was a heart attack, but they couldn't. And there were no hospitals in those days to do post-mortem. So the government said that some Borana must have killed the daughter of Abba Kamau. And to find the killer, there was what they call a farsata or a auchaching, and the Boranas were kept in the sun for 3 months, and the killer of the daughter of Abba Kamau was not there because she didn't have any physical evidence that